Okay, let's see what this is gonna be. What's gonna be the next move? Let's apply the 50 next. Well. Let's see what it is. Ooh.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
4,180 winners. What a beautiful move. Someone said get out the... Who? No, nobody would say that, Mango. We need to trust drivers, yeah. And through the ashes we arise like a fire chicken in the skies, baby. Oh! 25x, guys. You know what? I know you will forgive me if we get that 10Z Wenzy right now. We can we?
This is the amount of money issued, 626,547 euros.
Guys, it's a 10, baby. 4,457 of you with a win. 250x from 10? That's
540 plus 1 for Rabbit. 4 face, Tiago, 340. You, what's up with you over there? Why so negative? Use the bets with your free money. If you don't have free money, gambling is not for you. No need to blame any members of my family. 7x on Pachinko, by the way, and easy. What? It's Pachinko. Collection indeed. So we look. Yeah, guys, that's mindset. Maybe someday it will change. But okay, so coins are going for the vacay. Lowest one will be 21. Here we have 49, 70, 105, 140. So 700 over there. Wow. Not bad at all. Okay, moment of silence. Because we need to get 700. Or maybe some doubles. Why not? Good luck, guys. You can do it. I don't know, double? Can we? Hey! Double indeed! Wait a second. Seems that 1.4 thousand times multiplier will be the biggest one on Pachinko. Bit speechless? So why not to get 1.4 thousand on Pachinko? Wow. Alright, guys. Well, I won't jinx anything. Just follow the Pachinko.
This is the amount of money issued, 935,779 euros.
Take it? Yeah, pretty okay. Almost 7.9 thousand to money. Rabbit 28,000, Ace 22,000, RS more than 8.
Like a dot. Letting time out to play. Check statistic blocking information. Let's continue. And remember, there is no tomorrow without. Why my legs? Oh, my legs, but. I will wish you all the best, guys. Crazy time 4x on Topslot. Wow. Crazy. Can we get it? I think we can. Easy peasy. Crazy time. Anyways, let's go, guys. Woo, baby. Woo, baby. Woo. Anyways, you know the rules and so do I. So there is the wheel of crazy time. Oh, this is a triple and 200x. So it's gonna be 800x highest one. So that's quite lovely, I would say so. And with a triple, it can be even better, mate. My first bet, whoop, Mr. Bonus. You know, crazy girl, how it is with me. Yeah, alright, guys, we need blue, yellow. hopefully something really, really nice gonna happen. Well, you know what? Let's go. Let's spin. 800x is the bestest. Will we get it? Let's find out. Good luck to you.
This is the amount of money issued 850,228 euros.
Well, ooh, we have a 280.
There's all this additional information. And good luck there, players, to win some good winnings. But basically, quite simple game. There's the wheel with a segment 2 crazy time 2x multiplier. We have numbers what is equal to payout and bonus games where you can win multipliers. And as well the Topslot multiplier. Oh, it's happening! It's happening! Lovely. Follow me. Ladies and gentlemen, we got second crazy time in this session. Woo-hoo! And extra 2x multiplier as well there, players, from the Topslot. So we're multiplying 2 times all of these segments on the wheel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Feels so good. Okay there, players. Now it's time for you to choose the flapper, okay? There's the flappers with the green color, blue color, yellow color. Pick one, and good luck for your decision. The majority players go for the blue 200x multipliers. The max multiplier there for as well. On the wheel, there's more doubles, so let's go, baby. Let's hit some doubles as well, and good luck. Here we go. Double for the green segment. Ladies and gentlemen, green flapper got that double. Doubling up all the wheel, all the multipliers being doubled. 400x multiplier now is the max win what you can get from the spin. Therefore as well, let's have another double here, okay?
This is the amount of money issued 661,870 euros.
Ladies and gentlemen, what happened? Okay, 20 for the blue, 100 for the yellow, bet 400 green! Well, just look at you guys. Congratulations, the big win. Oh, yes. My hands are sweaty now. Woo! Give me the hair, please. Let's remember to breathe, guys. Woo! 400x multiplier.
761 us. Good luck next time once again. Well, chaps, you're welcome to then switch the game. That's the only option for you. Let's keep it up. Let's see how it goes this time. And of course, let's have fun some tickets or wait for another hour. Will be a house change. So see. Well, looking up as well for you guys the same. There's an option to switch the game. Or this time it's 2 axes or the spinning hand as well, kindly. So as much as I can. Make a great time for this round. We have it. Alright, look at that. We have another Topslot bonus round, ladies and gentlemen. So enjoy another crazy time for the session with the whole 2x multiplier on top. Enjoy the bonus rounds. So let's go, players. Enjoy the Topslot bonus round of the crazy time. Let's go. Welcome to the crazy time of the Topslot 2X. Lovely to see that. So decision time is open. 3 colors to choose from. We have a green, blue, and a yellow colors. We'll see what kind of multipliers you're gonna get. Let's hope for the good ones. Let's keep it up. We have 200x multiplier for this round. Let's get one.
This is the amount of money issued, 99,548 euros.
welcome back from another crazy time. Well, this time simple, but as well not too bad. Neither is multiply on the blue. So let's keep it up with one. Now let's make a nice spin. And let's see where we're going to land this time. Maybe another bonus round with the top will come around. Let's go. That's not the biggest wins this time, but still. Better than nothing. Better than smallest wins. So the crazy time is 2x right now. Man, that's a crazy time. That would be amazing. We do have another Topslot bonus round, the crazy time. This time, once again, 2x multiply on the crazy time. Topslot 2 back in a row. Let's get one. Another crazy time is here. Woo! We got stuck on the Topslot crazy time once again at last. Let's do this. We got 2x's. Let's go. Welcome to back-to-back Topslot crazy time. 2x multiply this time for you guys. Once again, 3 colors to choose from: blue, green, and the yellow one. We'll see what kind of multiplies you're going to get this time. Let's hope for the best, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope for amazing multiplies as well. 400x multiply to catch. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 163,285 euros.
Let's make another. Bets are closed. Good luck to you. Let's see what we get this round. We got a cash on with a 7x top slot, ladies and gentlemen. That is indeed what we have on the top of the slots. Let's earn some money. That would be a good hunt. It is going to be a really good hunt, ladies and gentlemen. We got a cash on 7x. Amazing session. Amazing session. Woo! Yeah, baby, that's what we made it for. That's what it's all about. We got a cash on 7x, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what a multiplier is going to be. Okay, it's going to be that, so 100x, and let's make it, well, multiplied by 7x, ladies and gentlemen. Maximum multiplier, 700. Good luck with a cash. Let's see what we're going to get this time. Behind the multipliers, behind some pictures, some icons, and then it's going to be your time. We're going to switch up the places, and then it's going to be your time to select what you want to shoot at, you know. So, ladies and gentlemen, selection time is open. So please select which icon you think hides the 700x multiplier. And with that being said, hopefully you hit the one that you want. And don't forget about the autoplay options, you know, the randomizer options. And let's see what the 700x.
This is the amount of money issued: 116,426 euros.
Still, to all the winners who have won this round, especially those who got 700x multiplier. And let's get back to the wheel. 1,805 winners. Top 3 winners: Kumar, CD, Drago, and Tipo. Well, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful cash hunt. No more bets. Good luck to you. I'm a bit... My mouth doesn't work, you know, but still. Yeah, beautiful auto pick. Would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? Crazy time. 15x. Didn't see the top. Ladies and gentlemen, let's party. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, 50x crazy time. Wow, I'm blacking out. Okay, let's see what this is gonna be. What's gonna be the maximum multiplier? Let's apply the 15x. Well. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please choose your flapper. The green, the blue, or the yellow. If you don't select in time, it's gonna be selected randomly. Okay, most is on blue, least is on green, ladies and gentlemen. Maximum multiplier, 1,500x. Let's
This is the amount of money issued 214,815 euros.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.